11, 11, let's all play. Learning math is fun today. Clap your hands and tap your feet. The table of 11 has a catchy beat. 11 times 1 is 11, hooray! 11 times 2 is 28, oops, 22 today. 11 times 3 is 33, see, count along so happily. 11, 11, count with me. Learning math is easy, see. Sing it loud and sing it strong. The table of 11 is our song. 11 times 4 is 44. Learn some numbers, learn some more. 11 times 5 is 55. Keep on learning, feel alive. 11 times 6 is 66. Math is full of clever tricks. 11 times 7 is 77. Bright doing math with all our might. 11, 11, count with me. Learning math is easy, see. Sing it loud and sing it strong. The table of 11 is our song. 11 times 8 is 88. You are doing simply great. 11 times 9 is 99. Learning numbers is so divine. 11 times 10 is 110. Need a big round number, quite a treat. 11 times 11 is 121. Look how far we've really come. 11, 11, count with me. Learning math is easy, see. Sing it loud and sing it strong. The table of 11 is our song. 11 times 12 is 130.